Hello everyone, we are back with some more piano playing. Today we are going to be looking at something that's going to make you sound probably the most beautiful on the piano. And all you need to know is one simple interval. It's called a major sixth. And it's so pretty, so much fun. I want to show you how it sounds. Okay, so that sounded beautiful. I absolutely love this interval. It's so much fun to play, and I want to show you how you can play this as well. So all you need to know is a major scale to start, and then we'll go from there. So I've been using F major. I'm going to show you what that looks like here. We have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. And what I'm going to do is take my first note and count up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there is my major sixth interval. It's that easy. So when we have the sixth, we can move this anywhere around the scale and get comfortable with this hand shape because it is very tricky to keep track of 2 notes at the same time. But it's the same hand shape, right? We can jump around. Let's jump a little farther. Whoa, let's go up here. It's that much fun. Just moving around, keeping that hand shape the same, and you'll be good to go. So now, once you feel comfortable with that, we're going to move into a chord progression with our left hand. And this chord progression's a lot of fun. We're going to be playing an F, a D minor, a B flat, and a C. So this, for those of us who know diatonic chords, is the 1, the 6, the 4, and the 5, all right? So you can use octaves, you can use single notes with your left hand, whatever you're comfortable with, but I guarantee you it's still going to sound beautiful. So here we go. Let's just add some random sixth to our chord progression. My goodness. Okay, so this sounds pretty beautiful already. I'm gonna try some jumps now with my right hand. And jumping. Maybe I speed up my right hand a little bit. So make sure you get that sixth shape. Look how pretty it sounds up here. And back to the F. You can finish on that 6 or the 5 if you want. So lots of fun. It sounds beautiful, and that's what we want. Now, this chord progression sounded like every other chord progression that you hear in pop songs, but what if you want to change it up? And this is where you can get creative. Start using different chord progressions, using all of your diatonic chords, or just pick random notes and see how they sound with that major sixth interval above it. I'm still going to use F major, and I'm going to play a different chord progression. This one is going to sound a little bit more sad and a little bit more melancholy. So we're going to start with our 6, which is the D note, and then we have our F, which is the 1, our B flat, which is the 4, and our C, which is the 5. And I'm going to add some sixths. Here we go. And maybe we go to that 4. Oh, we have to go to the D minor. There it is. And F, 2, 3, 4. So it's really tough to keep track of everything, but it is okay because if you take the time with this, it's going to sound beautiful and it's going to sound awesome. No matter how slow or how fast you play this, just make sure you focus on that sixth interval and all will be well. So have fun with this, get creative, and let me know in the comments what key is your favorite to play that major sixth interval in. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Have so much fun with this, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.